Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for our health and well-being, but often gets overlooked or discussed in hushed tones. We're talking about what you should and shouldn't do after being intimate. Proper aftercare is more than just about comfort. It's a crucial step in maintaining your sexual health and preventing potential infections. So let's get right into it and demystify post-sex care, making sure you have all the facts to keep your body healthy and happy. First up, let's talk about cleanliness. A common question is, do you need to jump out of bed and into the shower immediately? The short answer is no, you don't have to interrupt the moment. However, a little gentle cleaning can go a long way. Taking a moment to gently wash your genital area with warm water is a fantastic habit for both men and women. This simple step helps wash away bacteria that could lead to pesky issues like urinary tract infections or UTIs. Harsh soaps and detergents can strip the natural oils from your skin, causing dryness and irritation, which is the last thing you want in such a sensitive area. For uncircumcised men, it's also good practice to gently pull back the foreskin and clean underneath. The key here is to be gentle, no vigorous scrubbing needed. Your body will thank you for it. Next on our list is something you've probably heard before: peeing after sex. Is it really necessary? Well, it's highly recommended, and here's why. During intimacy, bacteria can sometimes get pushed into the urethra, which is the tube you pee from. This can significantly increase the risk of developing a urinary tract infection, which can be really uncomfortable. When you urinate, you're essentially flushing those unwelcome bacteria out of your system before they have a chance to settle in and cause trouble. Now, don't feel pressured to rush to the bathroom the second you're done if you don't feel the urge. Just try to go within a reasonable time frame, maybe within the next hour or so. And here's a pro tip specifically for women. When you wipe, always go from front to back. This simple motion prevents bacteria from the anal region from being spread to the vagina and urethra, further reducing your risk of infection. It's a small habit that makes a big difference. Let's move on to hydration. It's pretty common to feel a bit thirsty after getting your heart rate up, and intimacy is no exception. Reaching for a glass of water afterward is a great idea for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it helps you rehydrate and feel more comfortable. But more importantly, drinking water will help you need to urinate more frequently. And as we just discussed, the more you pee, the more you're flushing out any potential bacteria that might have entered your urinary tract. Think of it as an internal shower for your system. So keeping a water bottle on your nightstand isn't just for convenience. It's a smart part of your post-sex health routine. It's a simple, effective way to help your body cleanse itself from the inside out and keep infections at bay. Now let's discuss what you wear afterward. After you've cleaned up, you might be tempted to put on your favorite tight-fitting pajamas or underwear, but you might want to reconsider. Warm, moist environments are the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and yeast to thrive. That's why it's best to opt for loose, breathable clothing. Think comfy cotton shorts, loose pajama pants, or a light nightgown. Cotton is a fantastic choice for underwear for both men and women because it's best breathable and wicks away moisture, keeping the area dry and cool. Women should try to avoid tight pantyhose, shapewear, or synthetic underwear right after sex. Going commando allows for maximum air circulation, creating an environment where it's much harder for bacteria to multiply. It's all about keeping things cool, dry, and airy. Here's a step that's incredibly simple, but often forgotten: washing your hands. Think about it, your hands have been, busy. They come into contact with your own and your partner's genitals, which naturally have bacteria. Washing your hands with good old soap and water after you redone is one of the most effective ways to get rid of any germs you may have picked up. This simple act of hygiene prevents you from spreading bacteria to other parts of your body, like your mouth or eyes, and also protects your partner. It's a fundamental part of preventing the spread of all kinds of infections. It takes less than a minute, but it's a powerful habit for maintaining both your and your partner's health. So make a quick trip to the sink part of your routine. While all these tips are great for prevention, it's also vital to pay attention to your body and recognize when something might be off. After sex, and in the days that follow, be mindful of any unusual symptoms. For women, this might look like a thick white discharge, and for men, any discharge from the penis is a red flag. These aren't symptoms to ignore or hope will just go away. They could be signs of a UTI, a yeast infection, or a sexually transmitted infection that requires medical attention. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, don't wait. Schedule an appointment with your doctor or a clinic to get it checked out. Getting a proper diagnosis and treatment is essential before you are intimate again to protect both your health and your partner's. Being proactive is key. Finally, let's address a big don on our list, especially for women: douching. There's a common misconception that you need to clean deep inside the vagina after sex with a douche or some kind of internal wash. Please do not do this. Douching is not only unnecessary, but it can also be harmful. Your vagina is an amazing, self-cleaning organ. It maintains a delicate balance of natural bacteria, known as flora, which work to protect it from infections. When you douche, you disrupt this natural balance. You wash away the good bacteria along with the bad, which can leave you more vulnerable to infections like bacterial vaginosis and yeast infections. So remember what we said earlier, a gentle wash on the outside with warm water is all you need. Leave the internal cleaning to your body's natural, brilliant system. Trust your body, it knows what it's doing. So there you have it, some simple yet powerful do's and don'ts for after you've been intimate. Incorporating these habits into your routine can make a huge difference in your long-term sexual health, helping you feel comfortable, confident, and protected. It's all about showing your body a little extra care. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.